Gillian, could you explain also the alignment procedure for the module for the customer? How can we remotely install this type of product?
Of course. First of all, there's extensive documentation on how to do it. We have a written manual and a video manual on the process. The process itself is divided into 2 steps. The first step is the rough pre-alignment we do with our alignment tube. Basically, it consists of 2 pinholes that get screwed into the front of the module and serve as a coarse reference for the input beam. The sole purpose of this alignment tube is to find the first spot on our reference camera. Once the coarse alignment is done and we see the first spot on the reference camera, simply beam walking the input beam with 2 steering mirrors in front of the module until we hit all the reference crosshairs on the cell camera is enough to align the module.
And where are the 2 steering mirrors in this case?
In this case, for the trade show, they are all covered to be laser safe for the trade show floor in these metal boxes.
Okay. Thank you.